Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome back to TechizVibe. In the last video, we learned how to create an AI avatar image using Leonardo AI. And today, we are going to bring that avatar to life. We will animate it and make sure it stays consistent across all frames using Runway ML. If you hear or missed the first part, don't worry. I have added the link in the card above and also in the description. Check it out before jumping in. Alright, let's get started with Runway ML. The link is already waiting for you in the description below. Just give it a click and follow along. First, head over to Runway and click on Get Started. Then choose Video and from there hit Select Asset. You can now drag and drop the AI avatar image we made earlier. I'm using the same image we created with Leonardo AI. Again, if you're curious about how we made it, it's linked in the description. Now comes the magic part, the prompt. Under the image, paste a detailed description of how you want the avatar to behave. I used ChatGPT to help me write this one. It's super handy when you want to get specific. Let me read it out to you. A confident young English man in his late 20s sits upright, slightly leaning toward a modern desk, mid-speech, confidently explaining a tech tool to a YouTube audience. He has a clean, stylish, professional look, preserved exactly as shown in the reference image. Fair skin, short dark brown modern haircut, neatly trimmed dark brown beard with a stylish mustache, off-white sweatshirt and navy blue bomber jacket. Do not alter his face shape, features, lighting, color tone or overall style. The background, lighting, laptop, desk and all props must exactly match the reference image. His hands remain fixed, holding the tablet. Do not move or change them. Only his head and facial expressions move subtly in a calm, professional manner while speaking. No exaggerated gestures. Lighting stays soft and cinematic. Maintain a medium shot front view in 16:9 aspect ratio. Do not alter anything beyond subtle head and face movement. See how detailed that is. You can describe the look, behavior, camera angle, and even background. Use ChatGPT if you need help crafting a prompt under 1000 characters. It works like a charm. Next, choose your aspect ratio. I'm selecting 16:9, which works great for YouTube. Then select your model. I'm going with Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. Choose your duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Remember, 10 seconds uses more credits, so start with 5 seconds if you're testing. Hit generate and that's it. Runway gives you 125 free credits and each generation uses 25 credits. So don't worry if your first output isn't perfect. Just tweak the prompt and try again. After a short wait, your 5-second animated avatar will be ready, talking, holding the tablet, exactly as described. In the last video, I promised I had shared a little trick with you. But we all know Leonardo AI charges for consistent characters. But guess what? Runway lets you do that for free. Alright, now click on Image at the top. Because before animating again, we first need to create another image with a new pose for our avatar. I'm using the same character we created earlier with Leonardo AI. I have uploaded that reference image again here. Now comes the prompt. This one is almost identical to the animation prompt, but with a small tweak since this is for a still image. Here's the main change. Only modify the hand pose. Both hands should rest naturally flat on the desk, palms down, appearing relaxed yet professional. And I have clearly mentioned, do not change any other visual or stylistic detail. If you'd like to get your hands on this exact prompt, just drop a comment below saying prompt. I will be happy to share it. Now click on generate. After a few seconds, we get our updated image. The same avatar sitting in the same studio setup, now with hands resting calmly on the table. Looks good? Great. Click download to save it. Now let's head back to the video section in Runway to animate this new pose. Click on select asset, then drag and drop the new avatar image we just created. The prompt is almost the same as before, but this time we will just modify the hand part. His hands rest naturally on the table, palms down with slight natural movement as he speaks. I have also added a note for a fixed camera because in the last video the camera was moving around a bit. I want a steady front-facing shot this time. Now set the resolution. I'm selecting 1280 by 768, which fits well for YouTube videos. Hit generate and let's see what we get. Few seconds later, we have got a clean, professional looking video where our avatar is gently moving his hands while talking. Exactly how a human would do while explaining something calmly to an audience. So now we have created two animated videos of the same avatar with different hand movements and expressions. That's the beauty of prompt engineering. Just small tweaks and you can create custom motions while keeping your character consistent. Bonus tip: the image generation only costs 5 credits, so it's budget friendly too. Download the final video. But wait, there is one more thing. You might notice that Runway adds a watermark to the video. No worries, here are a few ways to remove or hide it. Use a video editor with a masking option, or simply zoom in a little to crop it out. Or if you're planning to use it a lot, consider going for the pro version. In the next video, I will show you how to add voice and do lip sync to your animated avatar like a pro. So don't miss that. Before you go, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more AI hacks from TechizVibe. Thanks for watching. This is Sarah signing off. See you in the next one.